boyfriend na ako. Wala pa po. I have like a quick I have like a quick I have like a quick kwento. So hot. I have a kwento. Okay na daw, oh. Bale, what? I just woke up because I took a nap. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. And then when I woke up to an email. And then, lag pa din daw eh. Akala ko ba noon, hindi na. Hi, Jay! Okay na. I have like a sty, like, not yet like super sty, but like a developing sty. I always get that since I got the surgery before. I always get that. So nasanay na ako na just hot compress it. It's what my ophthalmologist told me. Please do not screenshot or screen record this part. Ew. Oh, that's painful. Hi! And then, so yung I got invited kasi by yesterday. I went to UARM and then today I got an email. Sabi na parang yung mga nag-apply, yung mga natanggap na, wait lang, I'll just finish my eyes. Whoa, there's so much. Nabitan kayo kanina. Oh, nawalan kasi ng signal, guys. Like, super hina ng signal. Tapos, I was gonna use my phone. Sabi ko, I'll live na lang. At least you guys, nakita nyo kami like for a bit. Okay na. Anyway, what happened with my eyes? It's just I just always get sty, and then I just hot compress it a lot. Hindi ko pa nakikita yung comment ng Coldplay. Anyway, I got an email kanina, and then they sent me an invite. I mean, of course, I'm not the only one. I'm just happy, but they sent me an invitation and they were like merong 2 days na on-site. So, I think it's a total of 10 days, like 10 classes or 10 sessions. Oh, lag ba? Sorry. Sige. Okay na, ayun. So, they sent me an invitation that says na, if I want to, like, if I'm willing, I can attend. Like they're going to have a comprehensive overview for anatomy and neuroanatomy. So it's going to be an 8-day, actually 10 days siya. 8 days yung online class and then 2 days yung on-site. So it's going to be a discussion all about anatomy and neuroanatomy. And then also if I'm going to attend, then I'll possibly meet my classmates. So sana ma-install yung Wi-Fi as soon as possible because 8 days yun na online class, parang 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Tapos sa 25 and 26, if I remember it right, 25 and 26 yun yung on-site. So tapos magpapa-ID na rin ako. Tapos after ko magpa-ID, magpapa-medical ako, and then I think I can get na like a uniform. So hi for Miyuki only. Yeah, I'm so excited. Hindi ko pa nakikita. I really have no idea kung anong suot na uniform, like kung ano yung ng uniform, but I'm excited. Also, I'm going to show you guys something. But hinahanap ko pa. I don't know where I put it. I'm sorry, wait lang. My clothes are here, so it must be here. Oh, and then this is like a lab coat from like a friend. Because my sister used it before. This is actually like like for surgery, and it's big on me, but hindi, it's tama lang, but it's for surgery. So let's look like this. Yes, hello. Wait lang. OMG. I don't know who this person is. Hindi ko pangalan yan. I'm sorry. Going to play doctor. Yes, ganyan. Oh. I want to wear this in our anatomy class, but I'd probably look stupid if I wear this to our anatomy class. What? I'm going to do it outside. Wait lang. I actually can close this one. Ganito na fit check. And then I should probably like tie my hair. I have to get my hair tied. I don't know where I put my glasses again. I lost them again. Is it keeping? Let's I still don't know kung kanina to. Wag nyo na lang siya itag please, kasi hiniram lang to ang alam ko. But ano siya? Doctor siya, like surgery? Just be like that. Okay. And then this is my oh my god. This is my notes for anatomy. Oh my god! What? Anatomy and physiology. This is my notes. Hello. I am going to be your pediatrician today. Yung glasses I can't find, but for example, if... Oh my god! Ah! Like that. I'm going to find my glasses. I don't know. Kagabi hawak ko yung glasses ko eh. Wait lang. Gagayahin ko si Ate Doc. Hello? Ganito siya eh. Sabi niya, hello? Okay, tatawagan kita later kasi nag-rounds pa ako dito sa OR. Oh my God, I found it! Let's see. Ito yung mga part na to, pwede nyo screen record. Wag lang yung nagaganon ako ng mata kanina. Pero ito pwede na. Hi! Okay, so ano po concern ni patient? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay. Okay. So, what's your name? Tapos kunwari, sulat-sulat tayo, pero wala akong panulat. Bakit ba wala akong ballpen ng klaseng estudyante? Mascara. Tanggal face mask? Sige, tanggal face mask. Napaka-haggard ng doktora na ito. Okay, mami, check ko lang yung records niya dito. So, ilang weeks na po inuubo? I can't take myself seriously. Okay. So, we're going to check the symptoms lang po, no? Aside from coughing, like, is this like a dry cough or may phlegm po ba? Is she also experiencing colds? Nilagnat. Since when po yung lagnat niya? Ay, tapos may sumagat. Tapos papa-ID ako like ganito. Oh my God! Hindi pa ito nakikita ni Kurt eh. This is like the best fit check that you guys could get. This is like the best fit check. Or, tali natin yung hair ko. Yeah, my pre-med is physical therapy. Free checkup. Yeah, how did you know galing ako KCM? Ano? Okay lang ba magpa-check up kahit walang sakit? I'm so excited, guys. Like, maglalaan talaga ako. Like, yung, sabi ko nun, yung TF ko dun, yung TF ko, isa-save ko para makapag-participate ako dun sa may comprehensive overview ng anatomy and neuroanatomy. It's going to be the first activity na I'm going to join sa URM. I'm so excited, and I'm also excited to get my ID. I mean, hindi pa pala ako nagpapa-ID, but excited na ako magpa-ID. First year course is physical therapy. Kahit ilang tusok ng karayom, okay lang. Thank you, Nea. Anong school? UERM. Guys, meron ba dito nag-aaral sa UERM? May nag-aaral ba dito sa UERM? Can you guys let me know if may nag-aaral dito sa UERM? Because I have a question. Wait lang. I have a question. Can somebody tell me if may nag-aaral dito sa UERM? Wala ba? Wala bang taga-UERM dito? Hi, say hello! How are you? Walang nag-aaral dito sa UERM. Guys, gusto ko talaga magka-stethoscope. Magkaka-stethoscope ako. Titingin ako ng stethoscope. Para ma-manifest ko siya, lagay ko siya sa room ko. And then I'm going to like, go around like this, tapos check ko yung records ng pasyente. So, neuro. So let's look for something. It says neuro. Muscular system. Muscles. I think we're going to focus a lot on this because hi, Rana! Wear glasses ko, tapos mask. Glasses and mask. So, this is my glasses. And then, pag may mask, for example, like, sensitive yung patient or like, may viral infection, ganyan. Tapos, ganyan lang tayo pag nag-rounds tayo. Tapos, medyo mababa yung boses. Hindi pwede yung matinis ko na boses. Dapat ganyan lang. Hi! Hi, Ozal! So, we're going to have a free consultation. Yan. Yan, Doktora Miyuki Justin Talaya. Tapos, I have a stethoscope here. I have no idea kung nasa magkano yung mga stethoscope. But I will check. Hi! Hi, Ate Beth! So, yan lang tayo. Ganyan. Mahal ang stethoscope. Nasa magkano yung stethoscope? Like yung magandang klase na stethoscope. May nakita ko sa TikTok na stethoscope. Tapos parang you can engrave your name. Med student ka po. Pre-med. Pre-med pa lang. Then after 4 years, and I'm going to be a medical student. Like a medicine student. Litman? I don't have black na mask eh. Pre-med ko po is PT, physical therapy. Walang entrance exam sa UERM. Bale nag-base like sa TOR, like transcript of records. And then, yun, ganun lang. Usually, merong interview, but since I passed ata the requirements for the TOR, hindi na ako nag-proceed sa interview, I think. What school? UERM. If you guys are familiar with University of Eastermont Magsaysay, ano po yung nakasulat sa lab gown? It's a name. Name siya. I don't know who this is, but he's a doctor at St. Luke's. And then, surgeon. Surgeon siya. So, ang pinagpipilian ko na specialty was pediatrics. And then, pediatrics or neurosurgery or cardiology. Yun talaga yung top 3 ko. Pero guys, kasi alam niyo, na-realize ko, maganda kasi kapag sa pedia, you get to grow like with the family. Like, gusto ko yun eh. Gusto ko yung parang may mabubuo ako na family or like community, or like there's going to be a connection between me and the family. Like, kasi pag nagkaanak sila, alaga sa anak nila since for example like 7 years old or 6 years old, tapos hanggang mag-18, hanggang mag-19, 20 yung bata. Like, masusubaybayan mo lumaki yung bata, and then mapapalapit ka din sa mga family nila, and that's something that I want. That's something na parang sets it apart from the other specialties, like the fact na you get to grow with them. So, yun yung isa sa mga malaking factors why I want to pursue pediatrics over the other specialties. Pero, I've always been fascinated kasi with neurosurgery eh. So, I don't know. Depende. But I think I'm going to be interested talaga with surgery because mag-PT ako eh. So, parang more on anatomy talaga siya daw. Sabi, and then I was told that we were going to dissect on cadavers, like corpse, tapos cats, and mga ganun. So, I think like more. Tignan natin. Anyway. I'm hungry. I might cook. Oh yeah, sama ko na lang kayo. I'll make like an early dinner because nagugutom na ako. Pa-check po kung ano pa ba. But at least next time mapapalitan na natin to with my name. And then tignan natin if pediatrics or cardiologist or I don't know. Yeah, say hello, wait lang. I'm going to cook like an early dinner, just like kung ano lang yung ko. Okay na. Okay na daw. So, ngayon naman, as a chef naman tayo ngayon. I don't have an apron. Wala pa akong apron. Hindi ko alam. Anyway, I'm going to make a quick dinner lang. I might just make the same ones. Remember that I made yung omelette, yung tuna omelette, so I might just do that right now because that's like the easiest dinner that I could come up with. And I don't really want to cook right now. Hindi kasi ako nagtunaw ng chicken breast. So, if naalala ko siguro, if mas maaga, nakapagtunaw siguro ako ng chicken breast, but I didn't. So, I'll just toast the bread. Nandito yung toaster. Guys, also, this is the second time that I'm going to use my toaster. Last time I used my toaster at like 12 or 2 a.m. and then I'm so happy. Marunong na ako mag-toaster. It's like my first time. Kung ano pa yung ginagawa. Okay, so for sunny side ups, we're going to use this. Yeah. The same thing that I used like last time. Wala nga din yung smart eh. So I'm going to use black pepper, ground, Italian seasoning, Cajun seasoning, salt, and then Spanish paprika. Then we don't want burnt sunny side up, so babaan lang natin. Oh! Hopefully I don't destroy it because I'm really bad at cooking sunny side ups. Like, I'm better at cooking other things like pasta over sunny side up, so... Okay, Kurt, how am I supposed to remove this? Kasi Kurt yung naghugas kanina, dito niya nilagay. So, hindi ko alam paano natin ito tatanggalin. Kurt Rivera, hello? Anong ginawa ni Kurt dito? De? Ayun. Paprika. So, this is like the perfect toast. si Yumi? I didn't see ka. Di pa ako nagdaan. Naka-live siya? Kanina pa? Nagluluto din. That's good. No guys, there's something that I don't like. I don't like bland food. So, ma-seasoning ako. And yung seasoning ko naman, hindi naman siya yung mga like veggie and stuff like that. Yung mga gamit ko is like healthy seasoning, like this one. This is healthy. Like, I'm not gonna get sick because of this thing. Then, magtutuna ako. I'm almost running out of tuna. Kulang tuna ko. I might get tuna. Madami na tuna. Guys, pag nagluluto kayo ng itlog, gusto nyo ba like raw yung yellow ng egg or gusto nyo yung hilaw? Yung toaster. Oh yeah. Thank you guys. Like healthy dinner. Raw? Gusto niyo yung raw? Really? Oh, sige. We make one that is raw. Going to put it on top. So, this is what it looks like. I'll show you guys. Heck, how can I show you guys? Wait lang. Inaano ko eh. Can you guys see? This is what the egg looks like right now. Wait lang. Pinas natin ang camera. Okay. Yan. This is what the egg looks like right now. So, like toasted stuff. And then we're going to put tuna. Wait lang. How do I put it back? Then we're gonna make another one. Another egg before we make the tuna. Baka masagi yung plate. Which plate? Oh. And then, the tuna. We'll prepare the tuna. This is my last tuna, Century Tuna. If you're watching, baka pwede nyo akong padala na isang box. Kahit alam ko namang hindi ako pang Century Tuna super buds. Baka lang. Hindi, kasi si Kurt yung nagluto kanina and made pancakes. So, bale, Kurt was the one in charge of cooking, and then I was the one in charge of like the washing the dishes. So balance now. Guys, can you see the egg yolk? Broke. Then next is the tuna. Then we're just gonna let the tuna dry up for a bit. I already have my Parmesan cheese. Just make sure that you cook your tuna really nicely. Unless you want that like raw. But I like it when like cook. Like cook talaga. Like cook talaga. Like cook talaga. Like cook talaga. Correct naman. Masarap din yung tuna guys pag may mushroom, but hindi ako nakabili ng mushroom sadly. You know, if you're working out, this could also be like your pre-workout meal. Then we're gonna put the tuna on the side. And then we're done. This is the easiest dinner that you could make. Yeah, masarap yung pancake, super. Kahit walang butter. I love it. Yeah, I will not forget to unplug the appliances. I'm going to show you guys. So, this is the dinner. This is the dinner. If you guys can see, but the tuna, and then this is the toasted bread, and then the egg. Lag, hindi nyo ba nakita? Can you guys see? Or is it really lag? Kita nyo naman nata. I'm sweating. I'm gonna drink Vitamilk. Guys, I can confirm, mas masarap yung Vitamilk sa bote. I don't know if it makes sense. Or baka bias lang ako. But mas gusto ko yung Vitamilk sa bote, be. My hair looks so frizzy. Anyway, kakain lang ako. Also guys, I like if hindi kayo had a milk tea shop before, and because we had a milk tea shop before, and yeah, we have a milk tea shop before, and do you guys want to see yung mga milk tea na ginawa ko before? I'll try to send it on my broadcast channel, or like right now actually. Then how am I going to eat it? Just like this is the tuna, and then this is the bread, and I'm just going to put tuna over it. Since I like it na medyo may cream, I might get this thing. Goes well with everything. Goes really well with everything. Yeah, this is my dinner. I'm on a diet. I'm trying to like be healthy now na nung nag-grocery kami nila Tita Jet. Hindi ako kumuha ng mga chichirya. Hindi ako kumuha ng mga pancit canton. Even though I was so tempted because it's something na mabilis lang gawin. Dati if makilala mo ko guys, every time I do grocery, meron akong 10 cup noodles, but I didn't do that. Recently, I've been trying to be more healthy and more intentional with what I eat. Hindi din ako kumuha ng magic syrup because dati lagi ako nagaganon, but it's not healthy. So, but bigla nag-end kanina. So, the signal was really bad. And I needed my... Because... Nag-message na yung vet ni Toothless. Diba, ipapacheck ko siya sa vet. Eh, kanina nag-message sakto. And then I was going to eat na din. With Kurt. Kailan ako magluto ng caldereta? I can get yung remaining ingredients na I don't have tomorrow kasi nandiyan na naman yung beef. Ba't magluluto ako siguro pagbalik ni Kurt galing Laguna? Ito. I think this is the original one. Pre-med po, tapos med school. Hi, Si! Hi, Ninang Ivy! Ninang Ivy, nakabalik ka na? Diba pababa na ka kanina? Hi, Si Dump! How are you, be? Anong tuna po yan? Just Sunshine tuna. Thank you, Sidam. I think... Hi, Catrice. Ang dami palang protein ang kinain ko. I just realized because tuna and then egg and then soy milk. Hindi ko alam guys if magsa-switch pa ako to nursing. Depende. But like right now, I'm so interested with physical therapy. Because, ano ba mas maganda na pre-med guys? Because I've been doing a lot of research. If which one is the better pre-med. If physical therapy ba or nursing. And then dami ko nakikita na physical therapy because mas complex daw. And then meron din naman na iba na sinasabi na nursing because ma-expose ka agad like sa field. So, di ko alam eh. Tapos, ang dami nagsasabi din naman na medtech daw kasi... Oo, medtech. Kaso, hi Ate Epang! Kaso kasi, full na din yung sa medtech nung nag-apply ako. Hi Ate Daisy! Ate Daisy, ginamit ko po ulit yung ano. Actually, first time ko gamitan kanina yung electric kettle, pero nagamit ko po ulit for the second time yung toaster. Hi Burns! Kamusta? Bye! Ate Daisy, nakita mo kanina, suot ko yung lab gown. But tignan natin if kasi yung iba ganun daw yung ginagawa ay shift sa second sem. Something like that. Don't shift second sem, why? Kuya Wilmar, I just made like a sandwich po. So, it's this. And then meron tuna on the side. And then cream cheese. Dapat I was planning to make like cooked chicken alfredo but mag-isa lang naman ako. And it's late na. So nag-toast na lang ako ng bread. Ate Daisy, ano oras na dyan? Yan, pastil. Grabe, 6 a.m. Ilang hours duty mo dyan? Ate Daisy? What time ka pa po nandyan? Guys, grabe, 6 a.m. na to sa ibang bansa. Oh, kumakain lang ako, tapos si Ate Daisy pagod na pagod na. Ate Daisy, pag uwi mo dito, gagawin kita ng ganito. Masarap siya, promise. Parang makalat lang siya kainan, pero masarap siya. Ooh, grabe nag-ano yung egg. Whee! Oh my goodness. Thank you, Joera. Wow, Joera, ang cute naman ng profile picture mo, be. Twinning tayo. Hindi naman. Wala naman ako yung plan na shift agad, but like, I'm open. Depende. Tingnan natin kung anong plan ni Lord. If He will put it to my heart na mag-shift, or if He puts it in my heart to stay in the PT department as my pre-med, then why not? Kasi feeling ko I might also grow to love it, so di natin alam. Hello, Milky, classmate mo ako. What's your name? What's your name? Ba't ka nag-shift sa psychology? Hala, dumanais! Oh my God! Kilala kita, be? Siyempre, ganyan tayo, oh. Ganyan tayo, oh. Mabait ka eh. Mabait yan, guys. Si dumanais. Kasabay ko yan lagi. Hello, Nerding! Hello, Summer Flower. Miss ka na nila. Oh! So you're torn between the two, that's why. And the neurologist. May natira pa ako na tuna. Nard, saan ka, Nard? Hi, Jenny. Jenny ba or Genny? Hala, ang bilis naman. Nandiyan na yung book agad-agad. OMG. Thank you, be. Ate Monica, taga saan ka nga po? Andiyan na naman si Daniel. Oo nga, dumana. Eh, saan ka na ngayon, be? Saan ka na nag-aaral ngayon, be? Hi, Ate Annie! Wala ko background music ba sa cellphone ko, tsaka low bat pa yung laptop ko. Dahil sa nababili ako ng Vitamilk, guys, may nag-story nung nakaraan. Bumili siya ng Vitamilk, tapos tinag niya ako. Kita mo yung Vitamilk, tapos hindi niya ako pinapadala na isang box. Bakit? Marketing ng Vitamilk, baka naman be. Jana, sinasabi ko sa'yo pag di ka nakaabot sa enrollment, hindi ko kasalanan be. Tumataba ako. That's good kasi lumalabas na naman yung mga pasa ko. So, hindi ko alam. Hindi ako pwede maging super... Hindi pwede bumalik yung super pasa na sa dami tapos sobrang payat ako. At least kahit pa paano nako-compensate ng weight ko. Tapos nag-underweight na naman ako na nakaraan. At saka, pag nag-study na ulit ako, papayat na naman ako nun. Yun na naman ako sa once a day ko na pagkain-kain. Hey, Ate Mads. Tandang Sora? I think, ate, pwede yan Lala Move po. Gusto mo, ate, tonight? Pwede naman. Mas malapit ka sa akin kaysa kay Ate Camille. Opo, para makakain ako. Kasi guys, like, yun yung sinasabi ni Mama. Kasi I'm the type of person when I study, like, I really study na hindi ako tumatayo sa kinakaupuan ko or mahirap akong patayuin or hindi ako nakakausap. Like, focus talaga ako pag nag-aaral ako. So sometimes, yun yung naging sakit ko nung yun yung naging sakit ko nung grade 10. Grade 10, grade 11. Payat ako nun. Because, yung aral ko, be. Pati nung grade 12, lalo nung yung research era na. Like, minsan, anong oras na? If maabutan mo ako nag-aaral ako, let's say, ng 2 p.m. Minsan, may dumating na time na pinagalitan ako ni Mama. Like, nag-start ako magawa ng project around tanghali yun after that, mga 1 or 2. Tapos, hanggang 3 a.m. something na, magpo 4 a.m. na, nagagawa pa din ako. Like, tatayo lang ako tatayo lang ako pag naiihi na ako. Or pag nag-aaway na kami ni Mama, pag napapagalitan niya na ako. Ate Daisy. Tama, mas mabuti naman na unahin yung kumain. Kaya nga, trying to, ngayon pa lang na before ako mag-start, tinatry ko na sa sarili ko na kumakain ako. Kasi mabilis ako pumente. What strand? Stem po. I took up stem. Hi, Justin! Justin! Tagal kita din nakita! Mahirap ba ang stem? Hindi. Ang kailangan mo kasi sa STEM, guys, hindi naman need matalino ka dun. I think misconception yun na pag nag-STEM ka, that matalino ka. Hindi. Dapat masipag ka lang mag-aral. Yun lang yung masasabi ko sa lahat. Masipag ka mag-aral. Matyaga ka mag-aral. For me, daig ng masipag tsaka matyaga mag-aral, yung matalino. Like, siguro advantage if you're smart, pero that's just it. Mapapakita ko sa inyo, guys. Exclusive lang siya dito sa live. Pwede naman kayo mag-screen record, kayo bala. Anong tabi? Kumakain ako, papatabihin niyo ako. Kumakain yung tao, ang bastos talaga kayo. Nasakto, guys, malulubat na ako and live na ako. Sarap. Ang sarap ng dinner na niluto ko, guys. Simple lang pero masarap. Madali lang gawin pero ha? Ganda ng jawline. Jawline ko maganda. Grabe, simot ko yung tuna. Yoko nga, tas uunahan niyo ako mag-post. Bakit? Ha? Ano ba sinabi ko? Ano ginagawa? Ano ba? Post na ako? Ano ipopost ko? Parang wala naman akong ma-post ngayon. Wala kaming TikTok. Wala kaming wala nga kaming TikTok. Totoo yun. Nakakalimutan na namin pag magkasama kami mag-TikTok. Ate Roslyn, maghugas ako pinggan. Paano ba to? Ayan. Sorry. Napindot lang, guys. Napindot kayo naman. Napindot lang eh. Pwede nyo i-post pag na-post ko na. Pag na-post ko. Ha? Ang dami nyo sinasabi. Yan, ito na lang. Ito na lang, nasa salon ako. Gusto ko to parang kunwari nasa salon ako. Yan. Pagupit po ako, kuya. Like, hanggang dito. Gusto ko parang hanggang dito. Ha? Ano sinasabi niyo? Salon, si Kurt? Wala ngayon. Oo. Meron ba? Papagupit nga ako. Ay, nahulog yung water ko. Sorry. Nahulog lang. Nahulog. Sorry, nahulog. Nahulog yung tubig ko. Sorry. Sorry po. Ano ba yan? Kasi nahuhulog kasi yung tubig ko. Madulas yung kamay ko kasi nagluto ako, guys. Hala, nahulog na naman. Ano ba yan? Masisira na yung tubigan ko. Sorry. Ba't ba lagi nahulog? Ay. Hindi pala maganda yung tubigan na yun. Nahulog eh. Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayong humihandi. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin ang nais mo. Anyway guys, ito pala yung flavor ng Vitamilk ko. Ito yung flavor ng Vitamilk ko. Ah, grabe sipon ko guys. Saan may tissue? Tissue. Tissue. Sarap. Ano ko? Tama. Miyuki for Vitamilk. Kasi tama. Tama naman. Diba? Buti naisip mo yan. Ay, anyway. End live ako guys. Tapos mag-live ulit ako later. Hi Ate Marisha! Ito si Ate Marisha ka. Patulog na siya. Kaso nag-story ako. Yan, exclusive lang dito sa Ayun na si Tita Jet. Tita Jet, nakita mo ba lahat, Tita Jet? Tita Jet, nakita mo lahat? Diba di daw nakita na niya yan? Si Tita Jet may exclusive ayuda yan. Galing kay Kurt. Si Tita Jet, ina-update namin yan. Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman iyo ko palagi. Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhad lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na. Pag napaligiran ang ingay at ng gulo. Tingnan nyo naman kasi guys. Kakain lang yan. Kakain lang ganyan pa. May Kakain lang yan siya. Kakain lang. Ganyan talaga itsura niya kumain, guys. Nagkakain lang yan. Kakain lang. Eh guys, ito pala sinasabi ko yung sa UERM. Ayan o. So excited ako. Sana nga hindi agad-agad yung deadline ng ano nila. Kasi di ko alam kung kailan ko makuha yung PF ko. Pero, hopefully, pero i-replan ko, sasabihin ko talaga na mag-attend ako para ma-reserve ng slot. Anyway guys, mag-end live muna ako. Mag-prepare lang ako, maglilinis lang ako ng kusina. Tapos bababa ko. Kita yung mga box na yan. Lahat ng mga box na yan sa labas. Ibababa ko yan, be. Ibababa ko yan. Hindi ko alam paano ko ibababa lahat ng yan. Pero isang katutak na mga box yan. Sobrang punong-puno yung talis ko. Kaya for sure mamaya magugutom ulit ako. Actually, kaya ako kumain para may energy ako gawin yan. Wow! Thank you, Anaheim girl! Si Venice to eh. What time we're live? I'm not sure, pero I'll try. From your condo to UERM, ilang minuto? 5 minutes? 5 to 7 minutes? Huwag mo ko unahan i-post ah.
شافت أبشع منظر، بنتها معلقة في السقف زي الذبيحة، وكذا بطنها مبقور ومطلع الأمعاء وراسها مو موجود، وزوجها برضو مذبوح وراسه مو موجود. جلست أم عزيزة تبكي وتصيح، المنظر بشع لأبعد حد. جاء نضال وخالد والشرطة كلهم جو.